Okay, you asked, so here you go, you receive. Some of you asked about vibrato, that you were struggling with it and needed some help. So I want to break down first and foremost, what is vibrato in the simplest terms? It's a fluctuation of pitch. This is called a pitch bend, and essentially you can hear what it does. I hit the note and it bends the pitch, which is essentially what is responsible for vibrato. So a couple of tricks that you want to do when you're starting out to learn vibrato is we don't want it in the throat. I hear a lot of beginner singers or even some advanced that their coaches kind of worked with them and it's like, ah, and they're, ooh, that even hurt my throat. You hear it and you feel it in your throat. We don't want that. What we do want to start with is maybe just slowing things down. Right? Starting it nice and slow. Try and just work on and off the note. Once you start to improve upon that, you can pick up the pace on that. Eventually. So that's tip number one. If you're still kind of struggling going, oh gosh, how do I do this? A really cool thing you can do is what is called the fake clap. So essentially, in the note, now that's not our ideal end product or ideal sound, but it really has helped almost all my artists to be able to start to jumpstart their vibrato. So I hope this helps. Stay tuned for more videos, and as always, be sure to follow, like, subscribe, and comment if you have any things you are struggling with. Here's to bringing out your natural voice.